A very, very good afternoon to all of you. Whenever we think about the Ladakh region, we think about the Indian Army or the Chinese Army and the tension that is going on. We always think and feel pride and take pride in our armed forces. कि भाई कितना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, they are taking care of our borders. But somewhere down the line, I think there is a community of doctors that we've taken for granted. The importance that we should have given, though we give them a lot of importance, but I do feel that somewhere down the line the doctors have definitely been taken for granted. But in these darkest hours, it was them who have stood there with open arms embracing us. While the world was shut, it was them who have made the world come alive, who have helped us. Beside the doctors, special thanks to their family members who stood like pillars with them, supporting them while they were taking care of all of us. Today, amongst us, we have a very dear friend who is an MD gynecologist. She is a full-time doctor at the Tata Main Hospital. A very, very warm welcome to Dr. Shalini.
Hi Siddharth.
Shalini, a very, very warm welcome.
Thanks Siddharth for such good words of yours.
And for the Doctor's Day, केशव जी छनलाल की तरफ से आपको बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
And we are very glad that you've been able to take time off and be with us today. The reason we are here today is, as a layman, we have a lot of questions about the pandemic that we are going through right now.
Okay.
And so there are some general questions that we want to ask you, and you are there on the fire right now.
Yeah, definitely.
You being in Tata Main Hospital, so आपको पता है कि भाई क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पर. So there are some questions that we need to ask, and you can be as descriptive as you want.
Yeah.
So हजारों लोग आते हैं TMH में रोज के रोज.
हाँ.
और आइसोलेशन वार्ड भी TMH में है.
Definitely.
How do you manage to keep yourself protected?
See Siddharth, the basic thing what TMH has done is actually it has segregated the entire population of Jamshedpur into three major categories, that are the normal people, the suspects and the positives. So TMH has got a very different wards for each of them. So basically when we take our OPD consultations, we are supposed to safeguard ourselves by using a proper N95 mask which is provided to us, a face shield. And OPD mein we always have the norms of social distancing is being very nicely followed.
Okay.
The number of OPDs definitely has been reduced, the number of patients has been reduced, and we are not catering to non-emergency patients as such in our outdoor services. So outdoor services definitely is a bigger risk because we are exposed to all such patients there.
When you say outdoor services, what is outdoor?
OPD. Outdoor is OPD because anyone who comes with an appointment, we are supposed to see the patient.
Okay.
But yes, we are using a proper N95 mask, we are using face shields, we are supposed to wear gloves, and the patient is supposed to be waiting at a distance of at least 2 meters from us. And only one patient at a time. The relatives are not supposed to enter our chambers. Okay. So that are the basic precautions we are taking while in the outdoor services. And as far as the emergency services are concerned, TMH is very good. It is keeping up, trying to keep all the doctors and the staff safe. The triaging is basically the emergency proper, where the patients are asked questions about the history of contact, history of recent travel. So depending upon that, the patients are sent to the respective wards, and each and every department has got a separate ward. Like I am working in the gynae department, so we have a separate ward for the normal patients, which we call the green zone. Then we have a separate ward for the suspects, and we have a separate ward for the positive patients. So thankfully, gynae department till now, the obstetrics as what we are dealing with nowadays, thankfully we have not had a single positive yet. Whatever we have operated are the suspects.
Okay.
So we use all precautions while we are dealing with the suspects. We are in a proper PPE, we are in proper masks, in proper shields. Everything has been provided by TMH, and the biggest advantage of working in this hospital is that it has its own lab. It is the only hospital in Jharkhand, a private hospital in Jharkhand, to
Yes.
get a RT-PCR testing done. So, which is the samples are being collected very frequently. Every twice or thrice the samples are collected, and the report invariably comes in 6 to 8 hours. So finally, as soon as if I am on COVID duty and I am treating a suspect, the report is expected to come even before I reach home.
Okay.
So that is the best thing I think working in TMH is doing us. TMH is doing us this. So the segregation of patients is very good here.
So when you say suspect, so anybody coming to TMH for a checkup, whatever it may be, is he a suspect or he or she a suspect?
Suspect means any patient who has a positive history of travel, be
Okay.
it international travel. Initially, travel from any other place except Jamshedpur was supposed to be a suspect, but since now Jamshedpur East Singhbhum per se is the leading number of, has a leading number of positive cases in Jharkhand, so the boundary has now been increased to Jharkhand. So any patient coming beyond this state and from international travels is supposed to be a suspect,
Okay.
and a patient from a containment zone.
Okay.
So only these are the suspects we put in isolation wards. Containment zone and any place beyond the state are suspects.
They are suspects.
Yeah, they're suspects. They are not mixed with the normal people.
So it's been almost now, I think, 80 to 85 days that the city, or rather the country, has gone under lockdown.
Yeah.
Where do you see the situation has gone? Has the situation worsened or has it gotten better?
I would not say the situation has worsened. It is just that, as far as I don't know much about the different states, but in Jamshedpur, the situation is not bad because of the third state transmission. The situation is bad because all the people who have come from outside, they have been tested positive. But thankfully, these patients have been put into quarantine since they have come to Jamshedpur. So third state spread has not yet occurred, and this thing was bound to happen. Once interstate communication starts, cases are bound to increase. लेकिन अगर what I feel is that ये cases अगर यहाँ positive नहीं होते, they would have been positive in the states where they would have been.
Right.
So positive तो थे ही थे. They have been diagnosed when they have come to Jamshedpur because they are supposed to be migrants. So definitely outside, like states like Maharashtra and Delhi, where third stage transmission has started, उसके हिसाब से I would definitely say Jamshedpur as a much safer zone. Definitely.
But Jamshedpur is a safer zone, but I think till about a month and a half we had zero
The first case
patients.
was reported on May 12th.
And now how many positive cases do we have?
I cannot tell you the exact data. All things are
Okay.
not supposed to be told on media. That's not a question to be answered.
So with the number of positive cases increasing, do you feel that, and TMH being
The COVID hospital.
COVID hospital.
Designated COVID hospital of Jamshedpur.
What do you think that if I have a headache, if I have a backache, if I have some issue, do you think it is safe for anybody to come to TMH right now?
Why not? Is it as you are, any person in Jamshedpur is at the same risk as I am or anyone else?
But aren't you at a bigger risk than we are at?
Definitely not. I don't think that.
Why not? Because you are dealing with patients.
No. See, Siddharth, there's a difference. Patients who are positive or suspects, they do not mix with the normal patients in TMH. So if I'm not working in the COVID zone, I am at same risk as you are.
Yeah.
I'm at the same risk. Any patient who hides a history of travel or who hides his symptoms, if he comes to the green zone, I am equally exposed as you are. Even any person walking into your showroom who hides a history, you are equally exposed. You are equally exposed. And thankfully, none of the doctors, none of the staffs working in the COVID zone have been positive yet.
Nobody from Jamshedpur?
No doctor, no staff, no attendant, no one has been positive yet from the working in the COVID zone. It is working in the green zone, which is more harmful because of these patients who hide the history. That is why it is very important for the patients to tell the truth to the doctors, because they're exposing the The patients who are the normal patients, they're exposing the doctors, they're exposing everyone.
So do you think it's because of the systems that Tadaming Hospital has taken in terms of sanitization and all?
What? I couldn't get you.
So do you think it's because of the sanitization process that the hospital has, which has made the environment so safe for you guys?
It is the segregation of patients, first of all, I would say.
Okay.
The segregation is excellent. The COVID ward is absolutely different, and the triaging system is wonderful. They have provided PPEs to all the doctors who are working in the triaging, and we get patients only from, if I am working in my labor room, I'll get patients only from the green zone.
Okay. Okay.
So I think it is the hospital policies which has made us more safe. Imagine a person who is operating outside, who doesn't have a proper PPE. I think he is equally exposed, in fact more exposed to what I am.
True.
This is what I feel. This is my personal view. I'm safer.
I think this is an eye opener.
I'm safer. I think I'm safer working in TMH. This is what I try to tell people. TMH is very safe because its policies, its rules are very good. I find myself very safe. Unless and until a patient hides a history, and that is bad, because there are few patients who have hidden the history of travel and they have been admitted to the green zone of our ward. So that's bad. Unless until that thing occurs, I think TMH is the safest zone to work to.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think are there any particular people who are more prone to getting infected?
See, all are equally prone to getting infected. What difference lies is that the complications and the risks of having a severe morbidity is more in some patients.
When you say morbidity, what does it mean?
Morbidity means like the complications of COVID, having a chest infection, having difficulty in breathing. They are more common. Everyone is equally exposed. This is what I would like to say. You and me are equally exposed to COVID. But the problem arises who are bound to suffer more. They are the patients who are old, who have some pre-existing diseases like heart disease or diabetes or some lung disorders. If they get infected, they are more prone to the complications of COVID. A healthy young adult, I think, is equally exposed, but the complications and the morbidity rates definitely are much lesser in those patients.
Okay, what happens if, say, a lady who's pregnant is positive? What happens to the child? How is the treatment? I mean, is it bad news for her or for the child?
See, bad news ऐसा तो नहीं है, because it does not have a mother to child transmission till the mother is pregnant. इन यूट्रो ट्रांसमिशन जिसको हमको बोलते हैं, जैसे जो HIV और बाकी सब कंडीशंस में होता है, देयर इज अ इन यूट्रो ट्रांसमिशन from the mother to the baby. So in utero transmission has not been documented yet.
Okay.
So till the mother is pregnant and is carrying a child, the child is absolutely safe.
Okay.
The problem occurs when immediately after the birth of the child, if you hand over the baby to the mother.
Mm-hmm.
There lies the problem, because then via the mother's droplet, the baby gets infected. So what the other, because I think there are very few patients documented yet who are pregnant and positive, because pregnant patients usually don't go out of the house, they don't travel.
True.
So overall worldwide, I think the number of pregnant patients who are positive is less. So what we in the hospital are doing is that अगर कोई suspect आता है हमारे पास, positives thankfully we don't have, और अगर आते भी हैं तो we'll come to know it, because the DC has a list of all the positive patients. So none of the pregnant patients till now is positive in Jamshedpur. अगर हमारे पास suspects आते हैं, people coming from containment zones or history of travel or history of contact, so we don't give the child to the mother till the COVID report comes. So there is the child is taken care of by the staff, the nurses, the doctors, and because the report usually comes within 6 to 8 hours, so it's just a matter of 6 to 8 hours. Report negative आती है, we hand over the child to the mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
So besides COVID, Shalini, you have a daughter who's 12 or 13 years old. So being a doctor, I'm sure it takes a lot of your time.
Yeah.
Like you were just telling me some time back that you had a 24-hour duty.
Yeah.
How difficult is parenting? How do you manage your day-to-day schedule?
I think managing my family is difficult either in the COVID ho or non-COVID.
हाँ, non-COVID हो, कुछ
It's
भी
the
हो.
same for me managing, and I think our children get used to all these things, because since my husband is also not at home majority of the time, so my daughter has got used to it. She stays alone. She stays with my maid. So I think she's become more independent. And as far as COVID times is concerned, she's just scared of the fact that if I am working in a COVID zone, or if I get infected by chance by a COVID patient, I'll not come home for 21 days.
So
she's
you won't be
scared
able
of
to
that.
see your daughter for 21
Yeah,
days.
so she's scared of that. She's just scared of that fact that if I'm supposed to be quarantined, she'll have to stay alone. So I think that thing scares her more. Otherwise, non-COVID times, my daughter is used to it. It's difficult managing, especially a nuclear family with both of us working. And I have my night shifts. I don't come back home. I come back home the next days, and then you're tired the entire day. You want to sleep, and then your daughter wants to play with you. So it's difficult to handle. But I think the daughters also grew up. The daughters also grew up thinking that ये तो हमारी किस्मत में लिखा ही है, so we cannot change it.
No, but it is really commendable, the way you manage your work, the way you manage your child. I've met, of course, we've gone trekking
Yeah.
together, all of us,
Yeah.
and she's a lovely girl. So I think enough of serious talk, Shalini.
Yeah.
जब भी हम डॉक्टर्स के साथ बात करते हैं तो क्या वो सीरियसनेस थोड़ा आ ही जाता है. So we have a set of questions. It will be like a rapid fire round.
Yeah.
And as soon as you can, I don't want you to think. आपके
Yeah.
दिमाग में जो आता है, you have to
ठीक है.
shoot.
Okay.
A film that inspires you the most, that you've seen.
Oh my God, अब बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा. Baby
Baby.
like baby.
Baby, okay.
Yeah.
Baby, Akshay Kumar वाला baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Very difficult to say. Very difficult to say. So many positive things in just 3 words. See, I'm skilled. I'm from a very good institution of Delhi. That is one of my biggest USPs. I'm skilled. I'm a good doctor, and moreover, I'm a good homemaker too.
Lovely, lovely. And
Yeah.
I think if I were to add one word for you, it would be pompous. Because I've seen you're a very you're a very hardworking lady. And
Yeah, I do work hard.
I mean, though I know Shalini for almost 6-7 years, and
Yeah.
I have seen you in a lot of gatherings, and
Yeah.
I've seen you in a lot of parties, and the way you're not very serious. You're not that Dr. Kynes when you're in a party. You have your good time.
exactly the opposite when I'm in the hospital.
Exactly.
I definitely, the only thing I would say about me is that whenever I work, I know I have to work, and I don't take it on my head. I do it with my heart because I know I have to work.
That's brilliant.
And that is the only way I can be happy and make my family happy. I don't carry my stress or work at home, to be very sure.
I think that's what we have to learn. That
Yeah.
when you're at work, you're working.
Yes,
But when
and
you're
when
at
I'm-
home or when you're outside,
I don't carry the
there
stress.
is no tension of work.
Yes.
Brilliant. If you weren't a doctor, what would you be?
If I?
If you weren't a doctor, if you were not a doctor,
Okay.
what would you be?
What would I have been? I don't know. I never thought about it.
आज सोच लो.
सोचना पड़ेगा. I've never thought about anything except being a doctor. I don't know. Probably a housewife.
Housewife. Okay.
Yeah.
Your first celebrity crush.
Oh, Akshay Kumar. No one else.
Who's your real life role model?
My real life role model. My consultant in Lady Hardinge Medical College, Dr. Manju Puri.
Doctor.
Manju Puri.
Okay.
She was my consultant when I was doing my graduation and post graduation from Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Which is your favorite movie dialogue? Or a movie dialogue which comes to your mind right now when I say a movie dialogue?
कुछ होता है, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
See, I had a question, but I think you've already given your answer. Ranveer Singh or Akshay Kumar?
Akshay.
Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan?
Shahrukh.
Now that you're from Delhi or Jamshedpur?
Jamshedpur.
So you don't like that busy life?
No.
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least and 10 being the
Yeah.
highest, how cool are you?
How cool I am? Depends. In hospital, I am.
Overall, no, we don't want just
How cool I am?
are you?
10.
You think you're very cool?
Yes. Not in hospital.
Which store in Jamshedpur do you visit the most?
For what?
For jewelry?
Oh, that's Keshav ji. I think I should be a Keshav ji ka wo brand ambassador of Keshav ji actually.
Thank you very much. So you have a lot of friends. I know you have a lot of friends. What is one compliment that you receive the most from them, your friends or family?
I don't know. We'll have to think. डॉक्टर होके भी
What
ऐसी
is-
हो
what is- हाँ,
बस
डॉक्टर हो तो ऐसी हो.
डॉक्टर होके भी ऐसी हो.
If you were a superhero
Yeah.
और आपके पास अगर कोई powers होते, so what would that one power be? आपको जो मिल जाता.
One power होता तो मिल जाता. मैं क्या करती? I think I don't know. I'm a superhero. Being a doctor itself is being a superhero.
Lovely. That is
I
lovely.
don't know. I think I'm a superhero now. I don't want anything else.
Sure, great. So that was a super rapid fire round. And
Yeah.
it was lovely talking to you,
Oh,
Shalini.
thanks, Siddharth. Same here.
And I know I was supposed to say Dr. Shalini,
Arey, come
but you know,
on.
we've had such a, I mean, I've known you for almost 6-7
Yeah.
years. And I still remember when Ane was born. And you were the
Yeah.
first one who came out and said, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yeah, so you know, I have those profound memories.
Yeah.
And thank you very much, Shalini. Thank you very
Siddharth.
much.
Thank
It
you
was
so
lovely
much.
having you.
Same here.
And wishing you a very, very happy Doctor's Day.
Thank you. Thanks, Siddharth.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thanks.